Hey, if you wonder how you can change the language of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, unfortunately the only way to do this is to perform the hard reset. So take a look. Now we'll have to actually open this menu and go into the settings. Now we have to scroll down, go into the system, select this function at the bottom, reset, and now click on it and wait until your device will be restarted. Now just wait until it will be turned on back. It will take around a few seconds. Now we've got this Mi logo on the screen, so it means that everything is fine, and our device after a few seconds will be turned on. And as you can see from here, we can actually find this language setup. So when you scroll down, you can actually pick any language that you want. And that's basically, in my case, it's actually it was actually trying to pair automatically with my phone. You have to just remember to simply turn off Bluetooth on your phone when you are performing this reset, because your watch will try to get into the pairing, you will receive notification, and after this you won't be able to pick this language. So we have to go into the system and perform this reset one more time. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.